Well, St. Patrick's Day is a fun time to get creative with the kiddos, and if you want them to get the luck of the Irish, or partners that better or parents are sharing a cute recipe that everyone will love. For this recipe, you'll need sugar cookie dough and food coloring. Divide the dough into 4 equal portions. Add food coloring to each one and shape it into a ball. Wrap and refrigerate the dough ball for 1 to 2 hours. Remove the dough from the refrigerator and make 10 to 12 1-inch balls with each color. Lightly flour your work surface and flatten a blue ball into a 1/2 inch thick disc. Roll a green ball into a thin rope and wrap along one side of the flattened blue disc. Repeat with a ball of yellow dough and red dough. Lay a piece of wax paper on top of the cookie and gently roll it to help the color adhere. Repeat the shaping and rolling steps with the remaining dough, and then bake them according to your recipe directions. While the cookies are still slightly warm and soft, trim their edges with a butter knife. Colorful and sweet, these lucky rainbows make a delicious St. Patrick's Day treat. And for a fun addition, you could also sprinkle a little gold dust at the ends of the rainbow to resemble a pot of gold. For more baking and craft tips, you can visit parents.com.